Hey there, business professionals. Today I have some compelling news about a significant financial entanglement involving Adani Group and the Bangladesh Power Development Board, or BPDB. Let's dive right in. Gautam Adani, chairman of the Adani Group, recently reached out to Dr. Mohammed Yunus, the chief advisor in Bangladesh's interim government. Adani is seeking Dr. Yunus's help to expedite the clearance of $800 million in outstanding payments owed by BPDB to Adani Power. As reported by the Economic Times, this letter from Adani was dated August 27th. In it, Adani emphasized the financial strain caused by BPDB's delayed payments. He mentioned that lenders have become increasingly severe, while Adani Power continues to honor its commitments to Bangladesh. Adani requested Dr. Yunus's intervention to ensure the prompt liquidation of these receivables. Adani also urged that routine payments be made regularly to maintain the continuation of supply commitments. He asked for substantial monthly payments to reduce the growing backlog of unpaid dues. For some context, Adani Power has been supplying electricity to Bangladesh from its 1.6 gigawatt coal-fired power plant in Godda, Jharkhand. This has been operational since June last year using a dedicated transmission line. According to reports, Adani Power is owed $800 million by BPDB for power supplied over the past 8 to 9 months. Care Ratings mentioned that Adani Power has a 25-year power purchase agreement with BPDB at a favorable tariff. However, sources indicate that while the company is supposed to receive $95 million monthly, it's only getting around $45 million. This shortfall has led to a significant backlog in unpaid dues. In his letter, Adani highlighted the company's $2 billion investment to build the Godda plant and its transmission infrastructure. He noted that this project was completed within 3.5 years, despite challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic. Adani reiterated the group's commitment to supporting Bangladesh's energy security and infrastructure development. He also expressed interest in future opportunities to leverage Adani's expertise in infrastructure projects. It doesn't stop there. Adani Group, through its subsidiary Bangladesh Edible Oil Limited, manages oil refineries in Rupshi, Narayanganj and Mongla. Additionally, the group runs an integrated facility in Bogra focused on rice packaging and rice bran oil production. In his communication, Adani pointed out their contribution to Bangladesh's food supply through popular edible oil and premium rice brands such as Rupchanda, Maizan and Fortune. So what's next? As this situation unfolds, both Adani Group and BPDB have a lot at stake. Speedy resolution of this financial impasse could have significant implications for the energy and infrastructure sectors in Bangladesh. And that wraps up today's update. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful business content. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.